Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool trick and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we're sharing with you Sweet Project Cars' own personal stain remover. And this will work on any stain on any car seat, cloth car seat, any cloth that you have. I don't care what the stain is, it will remove it. There's no other stain remover out there that will do what Sweet Project Cars stain remover will do. Spray and wash will not do it, and shout will not do it. We are going to do a test to show you just exactly how well this right here works. We're going to share that with you with some of the worst stains you can possibly get, which would be blueberries and beet juice. So we'll do a little bit of the spray and wash on some of the shout on it, and then we'll use Sweet Project Cars' personal stain remover, and you'll see just how powerful this is. We're going to do it on a white t-shirt, and also the stain that I shared with you at the very beginning of the video in the thumbnail, this one right here. This is an oil stain in a Tommy Bahama shirt, and it was put there and washed. So it's been washed already, and there's no stain remover we have found that will remove motor oil like our stain remover. And our stain remover is safe for all cloth materials. Let me state that again. Our stain remover is safe for all cloth materials. In your car, in your house, it doesn't matter. Alright, here we go. Spray and wash will be here. Shout, Sweet Project Cars. Now, if you know anybody that gets a stain in their cloth in their car or anywhere it may be, you need to make sure they get this video. Okay, save this video in your archives because it will come in handy. Like I said, we are always trying to develop better products for Sweet Project Cars and our subscribers like you than what's on the market today. So each one of these will get their own blueberry, which we'll just do this with it. And we'll leave those set right there so they soak in good. It's actually the skin that gives it its the color. Now we'll flip them over, really rub them in good. We'll do Sweet Project Cars even more so there's no naysaying out there. Anywho, here we go. We'll take a Q-tip, stick it down in there. This will go a spray and wash over here. Everybody will get the same amount, except for Sweet Project Cars. We're going to put more on it. Really smeared in good. You're seeing it with your own two peepers. We're going to let this set for 24 hours, just like you see it. Then we're going to add our Sweet Project Cars stain remover, shout, and then spray and wash. Then what we're going to do is throw it in the washer and wash it and see which one takes out the stains. Now in your car, what you'll do once you want to remove a stain, you'll use your extractor. You can rent an extractor or buy one like this one. And if you don't want to buy that, then just rent one or use your shop vac with some spray water and spray it and suck it out. From this video right here, you'll get that idea. See you in 24. Alright, it's been 24 hours. As you can see, it's the exact same way it was before. We left it there just like that so you can see the proof in the pudding, or in the stain. And them blueberries are pretty tasty. You know, blueberries and strawberries are some of the best antioxidants you can eat. Just thought I'd throw that in there. Alright, each one gets their own Q-tip. And we're going to do the Sweet Project Cars stain remover first. Each one gets a dab on each stain. Like that. Now for the shout, We'll give them even a little bit of spray. Rub it in. And now the spray and wash. And we're actually putting a little bit extra of the competitor against the Sweet Project Car stain remover, just to give them a little edge over us. Now we'll throw this in the washer, but if you have this stain, like I said, in your car seat or wherever it may be in your car, all you'll do is use an extractor, or you'll use a shop vac hot bottle of clean water, spray it, suck the stain out. See you in a little bit. All right, everyone, we're back. This is after one wash. As you can see the results, the spray and wash actually spread out the stain. Shout, you can still see it. Beet juice, blueberries, and as you see, Sweet Project Car's stain remover and carpet cleaner and upholstery cleaner. Not anything there, or may I say, nothing is showing. It is gone. Now let's take a look at that grease spot that was on that Tommy Bahama shirt. You ready? There we go. Gone. It was right there. Completely gone. Spray and wash, Shout, and Sweet Project Cars. There's not a sign of the stain anywhere, no matter how close up I get. And if you have something really bad, you may have to do it twice, but I guarantee you it'll be gone. As you see, there's nothing there.